Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to create a Coinbase wallet account. It's easy to get this done. All you need to do is open up your browser, be it the Google Chrome or Safari. And once you've opened up your browser, log on to coinbase.com/wallet. Link would be in the description of the video. So guys, once you're on the website, all you need to do is take note that you can get your Coinbase wallet on the iOS platform, on Android, on Google Chrome, and for Chrome extensions being Brave and Chrome. So for the iOS, it would work solely for iPhones and any iOS compatible device. For Android, it's as simple as it's stated for Android phones. And when it comes to the Google Chrome extension, you're going to be getting it from the Chrome Web Store. So if you were to click on download for Chrome, you'd be redirected to the Chrome Web Store where you can get your hands on the Coinbase wallet for Chrome. The same goes for Brave. It's going to be a Coinbase wallet extension from the Chrome Web Store. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to get the Coinbase wallet on Android. So click on download for Android and you're sent to Google Play, where you simply click on the download option and download the Coinbase wallet. So once it's done, click on the open option. And once the download is done, click on open. And now welcome to the Coinbase wallet for Android. Click on create new wallet. That is, if you do not have an existing wallet, click on create new wallet and it's going to be creating your wallet. Now, you'd be asked to enter your biometrics or password as the case may be. You can claim a free username if you wish, but in this video, we'll be doing that later. So the wallet has been created. You can allow Coinbase to send you notifications. Now, this is the new Coinbase wallet. As you can see here, your transactions menu is available. So with the browser section, you can connect to dApps such as Uniswap and OpenSea and many other dApps. And we have the explore option for NFTs, trading, coins, and the news as well. So if you were to head to the settings icon, that's the gear icon at the bottom right, we have the security menu or the security. We have the security menu where you can add a passcode, set your lock method. You could back up your wallet, change your biometrics, and many more. And we also have the address option. That's if you click on address, this is just about your account. The amount of dApps you're connected to, exporting your public address. You could also have access to your private key, which could be used to restore your Ethereum private key. As you can see here, it says Ethereum private key, restore Ethereum private key. So you could use this if you wish to restore your account with the private key. We also have the recovery phrase, which can also be accessed via your biometrics or your face unlock. So guys, setting up your Coinbase wallet is not difficult. All you need to do is follow through. Make sure you add some cryptocurrencies. You could send, you could receive, you could swap, you could bridge. So many things you could get done with your account. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.